the district of City proper. We also have Tribo Kahirap of Pamilla, illuminating the district of Arevalo. We also have Tribo Mandurriao, illuminating the district of Mandurriao. Tribo Sagasa, illuminating the district of La Paz. Hindi man magpaulihin ang Tribo Sidlangan, illuminating the district of Labuz. And we have Tribo Ayapa, illuminating the district of Bolo. And of course, nakita naman ang opening Salvo performance sa Tribo Puntagtala, illuminating the district of Haro. Jordan, it's super nice to see them all together for this unity dance. Yes, I remember last year, no, isa ka matahong nga event sa Dinagyang Festival ang illumination. Kaya mo na gani from aga sa sagab iniara kalduan ang tao. Yes, and sa nahambala rin niya, you know, this will be the busiest Dinagyang Festival 2024. Kay grabing activities natin and events for this year. Yes, no wonder it's undeniable na ang Dinagyang Festival, as what Mayor Trenya said, is undoubtedly, let's say, the best festival in the Philippines. Of course, champion kita sa Aliwan. That is true, Jordan. But the whole world knows it, and they want to be here to experience that. Yet they still have time. For sure, we have a lot of foreign friends who are flying in just to see and experience the Dinagyang Festival. So to those of you who are coming in Iloilo City, welcome you guys, and we can't wait to see and celebrate the Dinagyang Festival with all of you. Or bringing the name of Iloilo City to the Miss Philippines stage successfully. There you go, from Santa Barbara, ngayong hapon. Palakpakan natin, Angel Jen Latora Candidate #1. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. at the Cultural Center of WBSU for the coronation municipality of Maay. Municipality of San Miguel, Hamda A. Hudigpa. And please welcome candidate number 5 from the Municipality of Calao, Lumangas, Clarice De Ocanes. Miss Iloilo. Candidate number 6, we have from the Municipality of Gimbal, Shaima R. Alyansuri. Candidate number 7 from the Municipality of Bacong, Dumangas, Rona May Dornillos. Candidate number 8 from the Municipality of Tigbawan, Nicklin E. Huday. And please welcome candidate number 9, Alexi May Caimoso Brooks from the Municipality of Leon. We also have our candidate number 10 from the Municipality of Lemery, Ritz B. Banyas. And now please welcome candidate number 11 from Pasig City, Maria Faith Dumapin. Next, number 12, Joanne J. B. Nashangayo, representing the Municipality of Oton. Please welcome candidate number 13 from the Municipality of Concepcion, Jamie L. Douglas. Candidate number 14, Ray Luis P. Pantaoy, representing the Municipality of Pototan. And now please welcome candidate number 15 from the Municipality of Ahoy, Pearl Angel R. Franco. And you know what, Kate, no? Matahong kagwapa ato yung mga candidates, guwapo kagwapa ato yung mga salakyan nila. Of course, gusto na natin masalamatan ang ating friends from MG for providing the cars para sa ating mga guwapang mga candidates na mga, of course, pasundayag sa ilang talents and even sa ilang mga kagwapahon yung oras sa ilang coronation night by 7 p.m. at Cultural Center of WBSU. And I heard no sold out, pero kung magagapanatan ka na ng mga free tickets for tomorrow, gani sa mga hindi kalantaw sa ating Miss Iloilo pageant live sa West Visayas State University Cultural Center, you can watch it via the social media, perhaps of the city government of Iloilo or the Miss Iloilo page.